In this video, I'll show you how to build this really simple and really cool and good looking shelf made from edge glued panels from Lowe's. This shelf uses about 5 panels. Each panel is about $13 from Lowe's. So it's a pretty cheap and nice looking shelf. It also has these little slots for the shelves so that you can adjust the shelf as needed if you want to store some bigger items in there. Anyway, stay tuned for the build, and if you like it, please hit like and subscribe and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think.
So I started by unpackaging all the panels. Here I'm packaging 4 panels. I used 2 panels for the sides, and then I cut 1 panel in half to make the top and the bottom. So that's 3 panels that make up the overall shelf. Then I laid the 2 panels that'll be the sides, and I just marked the top and the bottom on each one, as well as where I'm going to cut the dados for the shelves to slide into. After that, I cut in the slots using a handy little jig that I made for this project, using a 3/4 inch straight bit. And then here I'm cutting the top and the bottom from one of the panels. Then I gave the sides and as well as the top and the bottom panels some treatment on my router table using a round over bit. I'm not sure why, but the video is inverted in this clip. Actually, in real life, I'm sliding the panels in from right to left here. Now in my last shelf I built, I didn't end up using pocket holes, and I really regretted it. And so in this shelf I decided to put in a few pocket holes inside of the top and the bottom and secure them to the sides that way. So here I'm putting in the pocket holes, and boy, did that make the whole process so much better. Afterwards, I sanded all the panels with 120 grit sandpaper using my orbital sander to make them nice and smooth. After this, I'll also sand them down with 220 before I finish the actual shelf. Then it was time for the glue up, so I grabbed my helper and we went to work gluing up all the sides. While the glue was drying on the I guess the base of the shelf, I started cutting out the individual drawers that I can slide in and out, and I just measured the distance between the 2 dado slots that I have to cut in the sides, and used 2 more panels to cut out the shelves. So here's the shelf being all assembled after sanding. So I put the shelves in here, but they do slide in and out, and I sanded the shelf as well as all the shelves with 180, and then now I just did 220. So I'm not gonna paint this guy. Instead, I'm gonna stain it with this golden pecan wooden stain. So let's see how it comes out like. Then my helper and I went back at it, and we put one I guess medium-sized coat over the entire shelf. So this is what the shelf looks like after I put 1 coat of stain on it. This is the next day, and so the stain has dried. The shelf now is upside down because I wanted to do the bottom as well. So next step is I'm gonna put a coat of polyurethane on there.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. Thanks.